What's up everyone and welcome to the club. In today's video we're drawing Deadpool from Among Us. Let's begin today's lesson. In the center of the page to draw a large oval for the visor. We're going to start at the very top in the middle. We're going to go around the left side, come across the bottom, go up on the right, and then back up towards the top. On the top right side of the visor, we're going to draw the top of the head. We're going to go up, and we're going to bend this across towards the left side, and then pull that down towards the point. Let's curl this back in towards the side of the head. Let's add that fold. We're going to step up, bend this out, and come down and in. And I want to draw a slight curve coming back down towards the bottom of the foot. Let's go underneath the visor on the right, draw the edge of the body going out and then down towards the same height. Now I want to round out the bottom of the feet, starting on the left, curve this down and bend that up. Let's do the same thing on the right side, and we want to leave a gap in between the feet. Let's go to the left, draw a straight line going up, and then we'll add a fold, going across and then up. Go back to the inside of the right foot, draw a straight line going up underneath. Let's add that backpack on the left side. We're going to start up here, bend this out and then down. Come down and bend that in, and then curve that back in towards the side of the body. Now I'm going to draw that trim going around the visor, leaving a gap in the center. Go to the left side, we're going to bend this up and then out. Go to the right, go up and out towards the side of the head. Let's go back up to the top left, bend this around and then down. Come down and in towards the bottom to create a point, and then bend that back up underneath. Now I move over towards the right side, coming down, we're going to add a point on the right, and up towards the side. Now I'm going to switch to my thick black marker and fill the inside of those trims. Now in between this gap, we're going to move down towards the center of the body and draw a large circle for the buckle, going all the way around and then back up towards the top. Let's add some detail inside. We're going to start with two straight lines coming down the middle with a gap along the top and bottom. And they'll trace the circle along the inside on the left and right. Let's add in those eyes. Angle this down and in, and we'll curve the bottom. And I'll fill the top and bottom of the buckle going around the eyes. Now from that buckle, we'll move all the way over towards the left side and draw a rectangle for a pouch. We're going to come straight down, round up the top and bottom, and come straight down the side. Let's line up that pouch on the outside of the body on the right. So we'll draw two straight lines going out, curve the outside. Now we want to layer the belt in behind the buckle and those pouches. So we'll start with a line going straight across the top toward the left, and then the right, come down towards the bottom and do the same thing. Let's add that flap. We're going to add a half circle coming down and up, and then a black circle on the bottom for the buckle. And we'll add that flap on the right side. Now from these points, we're going to add a curve for a trim. Start from the top, and bend this up, and then out toward the left, come down to the bottom, come down and out in behind the belt, and then on the right towards the right side. Let's add a seam across the edge of the boot. From the left side, bend this down, and then up, and do the same thing on the right. Now let's layer those swords in behind the body in an angle. We're going to start on the top left, and let's up and out, round up the top, and then come back in. Let's line this up over on the right side and do the same thing. Going up, round up the end, and then come back in. Let's add that pattern inside the handle. Start from the top left, come down and in, go out and back in. Now I'm gonna go in the opposite direction, starting from the top, come across, in, and then out. Let's do the exact same thing on the right, starting from the top, and then from the opposite end, going across. Now switch our markers again and fill the inside of those diamond shapes, working our way down towards the bottom. Now let's sign our art and add a splash of color, and that's pretty much it. That's how I draw Deadpool from Among Us. I hope you enjoyed today's lesson. If you do, please be sure to subscribe for more videos each week where I'll show you how to draw different characters just like this. I want to thank you for watching, and I'll see you again soon.